Okay, guys. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the exercises that you need to do. Okay. Before COVID, you can do it. During COVID, you can do it. After COVID, you have to do it. Okay. So during COVID, when I said you can do it, it's because sometimes the lungs are not in capacity of doing it. I was not in a state of doing it for first 6 days when I was hospitalized. Okay, so okay, first thing is this is called as a respirometer, guys. Okay, this is a respirometer. It's around 700 or 750 rupees. This was given to me in hospital. Now, this is a very important exercise. It is the incentive breathing exerciser. You should get this possibly for everyone in your house. This is in general also a very good thing for your self, for your health. Now, what are the two things that you have to do in this? One is the two exercises that I've been told. One, which is what we should do mainly if you don't want too much of but difficulty, is this. So you have to keep this in your mouth. Okay, I'm not sure if this is too much light. Just hold on. Yes. Okay. You have to keep this in your mouth and try to take the breathe in. Okay, breathe in. When I was doing this on first day, this blue ball was not even moving. When I say first day, it was somewhere around seventh day of my hospitalization. Okay, so this all three balls should come up. Okay, when you suck in the air. Okay, and it should stay there for as much as you can. Keep it. Okay, so just listen, look at me. Okay, I'll tell you the duration and all in a bit. So you see this, you have to keep it almost parallel to your face, and you have to take the breathe in. Okay, so this has to be done on almost empty stomach. Okay, but don't have too much food in your tummy. If possible, before food only you should do it. 10 minutes morning I have been told, 10 minutes in the afternoon, and 10 minutes in the evening. Total 30 minutes I have been asked to do this. Okay, in a day minimum. Okay, so this has to be done like this continuously. Okay, don't stress too much. In the beginning, if it is not coming up, it is okay. It was not coming up for me also. It came to me, all the second ball started moving only on the second day, meaning eighth day of my hospitalization, and only on the ninth day third ball was coming. So it is a slow process, guys. Like every exercise, this is also a slow process. So look at this. You have to keep doing this, guys. Okay, so that is the first exercise, very important one. This will expand your lung. Okay, this will give you a lot of, and when you're breathing this, try to breathe from your abdomen. Okay, like pura andar se energy aana chahiye. Okay, it should come from here. Now what it helps is, whenever something is stuck here in your chest, trust me, it has helped me. When I say this, it literally, when you do this and when you release this, chest mein jo bhi phasa hota hai, that will come out. See, now if you saw, I'm not coughing, but today morning also I was coughing. Now luckily I'm not coughing, I don't know how. Okay, but this cough, when you cough, you will have sputum. Throw the sputum, guys. Never ever take it back in. The one which is coming from your nose or your chest, you have to throw it out. That is what is the killer. Okay, that is the first exercise. Second exercise is with respect to, you all know, I think we can do this. I have what this kapal bhati, right? This, you have to do this 5 minutes morning, 5 minutes afternoon, 5 minutes night. You have to, you can just google it. Okay, I could be wrong with the name. Now I'm not remembering. I think it is Kapalbhati only. Okay, so it is a normal thing. Baba Ramdev and all has been telling us this thing. So this, just keep it on your relaxed position. Okay, and you have to uh, blow out, and this tummy should go in when you're blowing out. You have to do this. See, I'm getting cough. This is good. When you're coughing, that means, see, that sputum will come out, throw it immediately. This is good exercise. Now, one more is, this are again told to me by doctor. I mean, in the nurses and all. You have to do this. You see, you have to do this. You have to take out your tongue and you have to blow out. Okay, just blowing out again will help you remove these things. Okay, it will, if it is like, little bit just stuck here, it will come out. You have to cough and you have to spit out these things. Now, after these two things have to be done by somebody else, the next two things which I'm telling. Okay, you cannot do it, somebody else only has to do it on you. What is that? You have to lie down straight on the bed. Okay, so this is, let's say, my face, and this is my my leg. So I have to lie down like this. Okay, and somebody making a hand like this with two hands should hit. I'll tell you how. They should not gently only, not harshly. They should put a towel, a thick towel, on your chest and do this. You should hit here. You should hit here. Okay, this has to be done by others, guys. Not really effective when you're doing it on yourself. And then here on the side, ask them to turn like this, and here you have to hit like this. Here, you have to hit here, then you have to get hit here. Okay, so this is for the front. Now this exercise will immediately give your, even if I check my oxygen now, see, I've been talking for so long, I should not be talking, but just for this video I've made this. Okay, I'm talking. So if I check my oxygen now, saturation, it will definitely be 1 or 2 higher. Okay, in some cases it will even increase by 5-10. Okay, so I have seen it personally, it helped me. Okay, doctors, when they did, the nurses, sorry, when they did, I felt this. The other one is, now this was your face and this was your leg, right? So now you have to lie down like this on a straight surface. The same thing which they did front, they should do back. In the sides, in the back, and this side. Now, this gives one, especially in the time of, like if your oxygen has gone really low, this gives you immediate relief. Okay, you will have some relief. And apparently, I was told by nurses that when this is at the time of emergency, this will give you more time, okay, till you get a hospital or whatever stuff, okay, or an oxygen or an ambulance or whatever. It'll give you time. Okay, guys, so this was the exercise that I've been told, and these are the exercises that you should do every day. This is very important. I suggest everyone to buy this and do this exercise. And the other exercises obviously are something that we are aware of also, so it's not a big deal. But this last one I was not aware of, last two ones which I said. So do that, okay, but don't hit too much, okay, guys. Chest mein dard nahi aana chahiye, normal it should be like, okay. And I still suggest, having said all this, please consult doctors, okay. And if that is, I'm not saying that ye karne se hi acha hai and all that. Please, I want to give that, that अपने डॉक्टर से भी बात करो. बट ये एक्सरसाइजेज मुझे बताई गई हैं, मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. आप करना चाहें तो आप कर सकते हैं, दैट्स अप टू यू. Okay, but yeah, in the previous videos also, whatever I told was all my experience. Okay, so I'm just sharing with you my experience to help everybody, okay, to understand what mistakes and other stuff. So it's up to you whether you do or not, but please consult doctors, okay. But yes, this definitely helps, so I can be 100% sure. And I was told about the other exercise also, it's obviously helped, but this I have to do. I have seen personally that ये 100% काम करता है. Alright guys, thank you so much. In the next video, I'll probably talk about the things you should take before going to hospital. Thanks.